Now we're studying the next lifestyle disease, diabetes. Diabetes is a really very dangerous condition. If diabetes is not controlled, it can lead to renal failure, loss of vision, amputation of limbs, and cardiovascular disease. Diabetes is such a disorder that it causes sugar to build up in our bloodstream instead of being used by the cells. Our body uses a hormone, insulin, to control the level of sugar in our blood. When our body does not produce sufficient amount of insulin, or when insulin does not work properly, diabetes occurs. There are two types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. In type 1 diabetes, the pancreatic gland does not produce insulin. Hence, in type 1 diabetes, the pancreatic gland does not produce insulin. Hence, injection of insulin is required for its treatment. In type 2 diabetes, the body does not produce sufficient amount of insulin hormone, or the hormone is produced sufficiently but it is not used properly by the body. There are frequent cases of type 2 diabetes, whereas the cases of type 1 diabetes are rare. The feeling of tiredness, urge to urinate frequently, numbness in hands and feet, blurred vision, excessive weight gain or weight loss, non healing wounds, etc., are the feeling of tiredness, urge to urinate frequently, numbness in hands and feet, blurred vision, excessive weight gain or weight loss, non healing wounds, etc., are common symptoms of diabetes. Some asan to prevent or cure diabetes. Diabetes can be prevented as well as cured if the following asanas are performed regularly. First one is Ardha Matsyendrasana. Asan. We discussed about it in our previous video. Next one is Bhujangasan, Paschimottanasana, and Pavan Muktasan. Now, first one is Bhujangasan. In this asan, the shape of body remains like a snake. That is why it is called Bhujangasan. Bhujanga means snake. Bhujangasan is also known as cobra pose. Procedure of Bhujangasan. In order to perform this asan, lie down on the belly on the ground. Keep your hands near the shoulders. Keep your legs close together. Now, straighten up your arms slowly. Rise the chest. Your head should turn backwards. Keep this position for some time, then get back to the normal position. For good results, perform this asan 3 to 5 times. It is Bhujangasan. Benefits: it alleviates obesity, provides strength and agility, cures the disorder of urinary bladder and disease of liver. It improves blood circulation. It makes the vertebral column flexible. It cures gas disorders, constipation, and indigestion. It strengthens the muscles of hands. This posture helps to compress the kidney, thus removes the stagnated blood, thereby help in improving the efficiency of the kidneys. It regulates thyroid gland, thus helps to maintain a good health. Contraindications: this asan should be avoided by individuals who suffer from hernia, back injuries, headache, or recent abdominal surgeries. Pregnant women should not perform this asan. That's all for the day. Thanks.